Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through how to participate in B3 Testnet. Before we dive right into the tutorial, if our content have been helpful to you, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address of WikiCat will be right in the description. Alright, so we're going to start with opening Mrs. Browser. So next, we're going to head over to their faucet to request for test tokens. Paste. Search. Alright, so you'll have to play a kind of game before you can get your test tokens. So you can choose to paste your address or connect your wallet. So let's connect our wallet. Next. Confirm. Alright, so once your wallet is connected, select play to get funds. Okay, so you're going to play this game, and if you are able to beat the highest score, you will get your test tokens. So tap the circle to start. So basically just keep tapping the white circles. Okay. So I just got my test token 0.01 Ethereum. Right, so next is to head over to their bridge and bridge the test tokens. So let's head over there. Alright, so first off, you'll have to connect your wallet. So select connect wallet. Next. Confirm. Alright, so once you're connected, if you have some Sepolia Ethereum tokens, you can bridge from your Sepolia Ethereum token to B3 Testnet. But if you don't, you can actually not use the deposit function. You will have to use the withdraw function. So select withdraw. So you can see the amount of Ethereum we have on our B3 Testnet. So input the amount of Ethereum you want to bridge. We do not have B3 Testnet in our Metamask wallet, so we'll have to add the chain to our Metamask. So select add chain to Metamask. Approve. Switch network. Alright, so we have switched our network. So just select withdraw. Confirm. Alright, so it says transaction submitted. So you can see our Ethereum has actually reduced. About the deposit function, I'm not really sure if this function is working for now, right? Because I tried it and it was not really responding, right? So once you have bridged your funds here, I think that will be all for now, right? You can bridge as many times as you can just to create kind of like a transaction volume. All right, guys, so that'll be all for now. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial video. I hope the video was helpful. Please drop your comments in the comment section if you have any question. And of course, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.